Today is Friday, October 24th. It's a beautiful day, and a beautiful day is something you create for yourself. So get up and welcome this exciting morning with fresh energy. Pick up your sword, get moving. Every day without training is a day wasted. Remember, the key is to move first. Don't overthink. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Action comes first, and clarity follows. Step 2, reward yourself. Be kind to yourself. Play a song you love, enjoy the sunlight, and tell yourself you're doing great. Step 3, it's all about mindset. Don't treat everything as a boring task. Treat it like a creative challenge. Turn it into something playful, meaningful, and uniquely yours. That's how real progress is made. Step 4, balance your rhythm. Just like in Kung Fu, fast when it's time to strike, slow when it's time to breathe. Life works the same way. Do the tough things quickly, then slow down and enjoy your tea, your peace, your sunshine. At the end of the day, life may look ordinary, but beneath the surface, it's full of waves. The secret is simple: experience it fully, create your own meaning, and live like a martial arts master. Grip the sword firmly with your right hand, close to the base of the handle. When you finish the strike, draw the blade back to your waist. The power comes from your waist, just like throwing a punch. The sword is only an extension of your fist. The blade must travel in a straight line and return along the same path. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Let the force flow all the way to the tip of the blade. This is the true way of power. When the fist and the sword move as one, strength and spirit follow together. Cloud sword! Place your left hand gently on the back of the blade. As both hands rotate, let the sword sweep above your head, your eyes following the blade's path. The movement flows from left to right like drifting clouds across the sky. Then, return the sword to the left side of your waist, and with both hands, push it upward to the right.
That's for you too. So, I'm training, you follow.
No applause. No stage, just sweat and silence. That's one-man Kung Fu. You don't train for the crowd, you train for the code. Every movement is a message, every breath is a vow.